it's Bill. I didn't go home. I looked down the tracks and here comes another one. Eastbound, Burlington Northern, Santa Fe. Number 10 today. Awesome, man. This is great. I love it. Can't get any better than this. Well, a nice home in Edmonds, Washington would be nice, but can't have everything. There they are. 3805. Going at a very nice clip, I must admit. Oh, empty coal. Yeah, I was gonna go home, but I looked on the tracks and I saw some lights, decided to stay. And this is what I got. Another terrain, number 10. And I hope they turn out. Sometimes I'll do 7 or 8 of them and all of a sudden they'll all not be very good at all. I just can't stop doing it. I just don't know what it is. They just keep on coming. All right, let's flip over to the other side. Coal cars, when they're empty, they're loud. Oh, don't end. Well, here comes the end. Have a locomotive in the end on this one. Oh, I've seen this before. There it is, bank 798. And he's working pretty hard. All right, well, that's number 10 for the day. I'll look down the tracks. If I see a light, I'll wait. If I don't, I'm gonna go home. All right, everybody, be good. Take care. Bill out.